I don't want fruit. Mimi sat at the table, her arms firmly crossed like two sleepy snakes. I don't want fruit, she grumbled, nose wrinkling at the bowl in front of her. On the table sat a very ordinary bowl filled with apples, bananas, and grapes, looking as dull as a rainy day. Mimi sighed so heavily that her breath wobbled the grapes. Mom was not bothered. She smiled, eyes twinkling with a secret idea. What if we made it fun? Mimi lifted her eyebrows so high they nearly met her hair. Fruit? Fun, she repeated, half curious, half suspicious. A colorful idea. Mom leaned in closer and whispered, what if we made a rainbow fruit salad? A rainbow? Mimi chirped, her frown flying away. They opened the fridge and gathered fruits of every color they could find. Red strawberries as bright as fire engines. Juicy orange slices. Sun yellow bananas. Fuzzy green kiwi. Blueberries like tiny marbles. Purple grapes, twinkly as gemstones. Mimi gazed at the kitchen table, so much color she thought a leprechaun might visit. Let's get chopping. Safely. Mom gave Mimi a special kid-safe knife, as shiny as a buttercup in the sun. Let's chop together. Mimi sliced a banana. Squish. The pieces wobbled and slipped around. She giggled. Next, she chopped strawberries, making sure not to chop her fingers. Into the bowl they fell, plop, plop, plop. With every fruit, the bowl grew brighter, a rainbow trapped in a dish. Oh! A little mix-up. Mimi was so busy admiring the colors that she tipped the bowl a little too far. Oh no! Splat! Grapes, blueberries, and kiwi tumbled all over the table, rolling like tiny escape artists. Mimi's heart dropped. I ruined it. But Mom just shook her head and smiled. No, Mimi. What can we do when something goes wrong? Mimi thought. Then, her face lit up. We can fix it. Fixing it together. She gathered each runaway grape, wiped up the juice, and put every piece back, neat as a parade. Mom nodded. See? Mistakes can be fixed. Mimi felt proud. She hadn't given up. She was a fruit salad hero. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Bye.